Burping to help a baby release gas after feeding is a simple yet highly beneficial technique. Babies burped regularly often experience reduced gas, loading, spit out, better feeding, less fussiness, and improved sleep. There are 3 burping positions as follows. 1. Shoulder hold. Place a clean cloth on your shoulder. Lift and support the baby with the head resting on your shoulder, with one hand supporting the baby. Use the other hand to gently rub the baby's back in circular motions or pat the back from bottom to top to encourage burping. 2. Sitting on lap. Sit the baby on your lap, slightly leaning forward. Use one hand to support the baby's chin and the other hand to gently pat and stroke the back, avoiding the baby's neck. 3. Lying on lap. Lay the baby horizontally on your lap, facing downward. Use one hand to support the baby's chin and the other hand to gently pat the baby's back to facilitate burping. The duration of burping depends on the amount of air in the baby's stomach.